Introduce highlight features or overview summary for ACTWIND folding treadmill with adjustable incline, 3.5 HP foldable treadmills for home, 330 pounds weight capacity. Walking pad, walking, jogging, running exercise machine with Bluetooth and pulse monitor. Highlight features or overview summary are include. With 0 to 2.6 degrees adjustable incline. Running on the incline can increase the training intensity and enhance the endurance, by adjusting the incline angle of the treadmill. It simulates the environment of outdoor running and accelerates the fat burning, which makes you have a better workout experience. 3.5 HP powerful motor. The 3.5 horsepower motor provides speeds from 0.5 to 8.5 mph, ensuring stable operation under a 330-pound load. The motor runs quieter without disturbing others. 5-layer non-slip running belt is more durable and quieter. One-piece compression technology allows for a smooth and sleek belt splice. 16.5-inch widened belt. Comfortable running experience. The treadmill's sturdy construction and strong materials ensure stability, even during high-intensity workouts. The large running deck can accommodate different stride lengths, pedaling frequencies, and running techniques. Runners are free to adjust the stride and speed according to their preferences and needs, making training more flexible and diverse. Intuitive controls and easy operation. The folding treadmill features a user-friendly interface with intuitive, direct access buttons for start, stop, program selection, speed control and more. Stay connected and motivated during your workout with Bluetooth and app compatibility. The portable treadmill monitors heart rate with a built-in pulse sensor and displays both basic exercise metrics and tracking run data on a large, clear, and comprehensive LCD screen. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.